how the new Apple Watch Ultra GPS works, L1 and L5 GPS for beginners.
The L band group radio frequencies from 390 megahertz to 1550 megahertz, which the L5, L1 frequencies, which is the frequency that civilian devices use, like your Garmin, your Apple Watch, or other GPS. The L5 GPS frequency is 1176.45 megahertz. It is reserved for safety and life signal and emergency transmission, which the new Apple Watch Ultra use dual band receivers for more accuracy. A dual frequency receiver is a higher accuracy receiver because it can remove some of the interference and error caused by the ionosphere and atmosphere, and atmospheric qualities affecting different transmission densities. Sort of like phase cancellation used in active noise canceling headphones. So the carrier wave for GPS, this carrier wave doesn't actually carry or transmit any information. So it works by modulating or changing the carrier wave to transmit data, aka information. There are a few different ways we can modulate or change the carrier wave. The first way is pulse modulation, which is basically turning on and off the signal. Think of it as turning on or off your light. The second way of doing it is called amplitude modulation. Amplitude is the height of the wave, and by varying that, you can carry information. And fun fact, that's what AM radio stands for. The third way is by modulating the frequency. The frequency is how often it hits the peaks and the lows. Quick sound waves are things like treble or upper frequencies, whereas things like bass or lower frequencies is a slower frequency sound. The GPS uses biphase modulation. It's a series of 1 and 0s called binary data. The direction of a carrier wave flips depending on if it's a 0 or a 1. And once it reaches its transmitter or destination, it is compiled by the compiler, just like any other code that's run on your Apple Watch. I'll have all the affiliated things that we talked about linked in the video description. If you liked this, then check out this video.
If you liked this or found it helpful, like and share it with someone else. And leave your questions or comments down below.